Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix image upload issue in WordPress. Let's begin. Now, if this is your first time here in WordPress, you might want to click on the Get Started button for you to create your account. You can simply continue with your Google account, with your Apple, with GitHub, or you can log in via an app. And once you've done that, click on Continue and you're all set. Now, troubleshooting image upload issues in WordPress can be a bit complex because there could be a lot of factors causing the problem, but here are some of the ways where you can diagnose and fix the issue. Now, you need to go to the main dashboard of your WordPress account. Now, for us to be able to fix the image upload issue here in the WordPress, we need to access the file manager, because in that case, that's the only way for us to access the public site HTML. And if you don't have the file manager right now, all you're gonna do is go to the plugins first, and you might want to search for the file manager. Now click on it. As you can see, here's the results. What you need to do right now is just install and activate. Let's do that now. It'll take a few minutes, and then there you have it. Now from here, you can manage the plugin, or you can just simply go to the plugin itself so we can access the public site domain. Now once we are here, as you can see, the file manager has been added to our dashboard, and what we need to do right now is click on file manager. Now once you're here, all you're gonna do is hover down to the file manager and click on it. And once you have access, you need to right click the content and look for an upload folder, right? Because once you are in the upload folder, what will happen is you need to click on the upload folder right here, and then when you do that, you need to get to the settings section. If you have that option on the upload folder, click on the change permission, and once you've done that, click on everything that's not ticked and save it as it is. It's that simple, right? Now always remember, if you are having problems fixing the image upload issue here in WordPress, you might want to go here in the support guide center. They'll be more than glad to assist you, and you can search for the criteria or situation that applies to these support channels here. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.